DeepSeek, one of China's most advanced AI platforms, is gaining attention worldwide, but not for the right reasons. While it boasts cutting-edge capabilities, the platform has raised serious security and privacy concerns, especially for American users. Experts warn that using DeepSeek could mean exposing sensitive data to a foreign entity that operates under strict government oversight. In this video, we're going to break down why Americans should stay away from DeepSeek, how it poses a national security risk, and why trusting a Chinese AI company with your data could be a huge mistake. One of the biggest concerns surrounding DeepSeek is data privacy. The platform stores user data on servers located in China, a country known for its aggressive data collection laws. Under China's cybersecurity law, any company operating in China is legally required to share user data with the government upon request. This means that everything you enter into DeepSeek, from personal conversations to sensitive business queries, could potentially be accessed by Chinese authorities. Cybersecurity expert Adrianus Warmanhoven has warned that DeepSeek's privacy policies make it clear user data, including conversations and generated responses, are stored in China, making it vulnerable to foreign surveillance. Beyond privacy concerns, there are major security vulnerabilities in DeepSeek's AI models. Recent cybersecurity tests found that DeepSeek's R1 model failed multiple security assessments, including basic jailbreak tests, meaning that it can be easily manipulated to generate unauthorized content or reveal sensitive user data. Researchers have also found that the platform lacks robust safeguards against cyber threats, leaving users exposed to potential data breaches, phishing attacks, and identity theft. Even more alarming is DeepSeek's built-in censorship system. The AI refuses to answer politically sensitive questions and pushes state-approved narratives on certain topics. For example, when asked about Taiwan, DeepSeek refers to it as an inalienable part of China's territory, and actively avoids discussing issues like the 1989 Tiananmen Square massacre or the persecution of Uyghurs. This raises serious concerns about bias and misinformation, as users may unknowingly receive filtered or distorted information that aligns with the interests of the Chinese government. These risks have not gone unnoticed. The US government has begun taking action against DeepSeek, with the US Navy officially banning its use on government-issued devices due to serious security risks. Texas has also moved to ban the application on state-owned devices, citing concerns that user data could be accessed by foreign intelligence agencies. If state and federal agencies are actively warning against this software, why should private citizens or businesses take the risk? The consequences of using DeepSeek extend beyond individual users. By supporting the platform, Americans may be unintentionally helping China's AI industry grow, giving them an edge in the ongoing US-China tech war. AI dominance isn't just about who has the most powerful chatbot, it's about who controls the future of innovation, cybersecurity, and global influence. Let's not forget the economic risks. China has been known to use AI for large-scale intellectual property theft, with reports of Chinese companies scraping data, stealing trade secrets, and replicating Western technologies. If DeepSeek is widely adopted in the US, businesses could be unknowingly feeding their intellectual property into a system that doesn't respect international copyright laws. The bottom line? DeepSeek is not just another AI chatbot. It's a potential backdoor into America's data, security, and innovation. With a track record of privacy violations, security vulnerabilities, and political censorship, using DeepSeek could mean giving away sensitive information to a foreign government with its own agenda. There are safer, more transparent AI alternatives that don't come with the same level of risk. If you're serious about protecting your privacy, security, and digital freedom, stay away from DeepSeek. Instead, opt for AI tools that operate under clear data protection laws and prioritize user privacy. What do you think? Should the US government take stronger action against DeepSeek? Do you think AI companies should be more transparent about their data practices? Let's discuss in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI and cybersecurity updates, and share this with anyone who needs to know the risks of using foreign AI platforms. Stay safe online.